And we're seeing ya. Tary back at you with another video. We're doing hairstyles again, and this time I'm teaching you some fall theme styles using leaves as decoration. So for this first style, we are going to be doing a crown of leaves. So start by brushing out the doll's hair, no knots, no tangles, and then just make a classic ponytail as you can see here. Then you want to grab your leaves and just place them all around the head, as you'll see us doing. Here's what the finished crown of leaves should look like from a back view. Here's a top/front view. As you can see, I've taken out all the leaves, and I'm now going to show you the second style. So start this one by turning your ponytail into a braid. Just split three and go the classic style that you always go. Add your elastic at the bottom. And now what you want to do is to stick the leaves into random spots of the braid. If you want it to look a little more aesthetic, you can trim your stems. I think 4 is enough. Your finished version should look like this. As you can see, I have turned the one braid into 2, and having leaf stuffed braided pigtails looks just as cute as a single braid. Moving on to the fourth hairstyle. I've taken out the braids and brushed the hair, no knots and tangles, but I've left it in 2 pieces. What we're going to do now is make pigtail buns. Here are your completed pigtail buns, and now you just want to stuff some leaves into the middle of the bun. Once you've poked in all the leaves, this is what your bun full of leaves should roughly look like. As you can see, I have turned the 2 buns into 1 bun because stuffing a bun with leaves works good as pigtails or as ponytails, just the same way as it did with the braid. Feel free to comment down below what your favorite leaf hairstyle was, and if you try any for yourself, please send us a photo. I'd love to see it. Alright, that concludes this leaf hairstyle video. If you enjoyed it, please drop one down below. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future content. Check out all of our social media accounts. They're always linked in the description. And lastly, please head to our website. There are fun stories to read and cute outfits to purchase. We'll see you on the next one.